Hello there. We've got a really mixed bag of weather to come this week. We'll have rain at times, some snow in the north and night frost, particularly towards the middle of the week. But I'll come back to all of that in just a moment. This morning we've been watching all the rain. It's been very wet across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and that wet weather is now pushing a little further towards the southeast. The heaviest rain here shown by the red colours across Cumbria and North Wales. Some really nasty conditions for Cumbria and Wales throughout the rest of the afternoon. That heavy rain and a strong and blustery southerly wind. Now that wet and windy weather will continue to push southeastwards through the rest of the afternoon, getting into southeastern parts of the UK after dark, and then it'll clear away during tomorrow morning to leave behind a mix of sunny spells and wintry showers. Those wintry showers will be pushing in across Scotland and Northern Ireland this afternoon as the wet and windy weather continues its progress towards the southeast. In the south it'll be quite mild, temperatures up as high as 12 degrees, but it's going to turn colder in the north. And northern areas will certainly be colder tonight than last night. A frost in places as temperatures dip close to or even as low as freezing in some spots. But that frost is going to turn more widespread in the first part of the week. A widespread frost on Tuesday night before things turn milder again in the second half of the week. Just a hint that we'll see some colder weather pushing in towards the weekend. So this is the weather front that's bringing today's rain. That's going to clear away in the next 24 hours. Then we look out into the Atlantic at this area of low pressure, which is going to bring some wet and windy weather into southern parts of the UK on Tuesday, with perhaps some snow on the northern edge. That will clear away on Wednesday, leaving behind a cold northerly wind before we start to see weather fronts pushing back in off the Atlantic. Things will turn milder again, but they'll also turn wetter at times. So the rain tomorrow will clear away first thing in the morning, and then we'll have a mix of sunny spells and showers. Those showers will be wintry, particularly over the high ground from North Wales and northern England northwards. Perhaps some significant snowfall in some parts of northern Scotland. Then on Tuesday we'll see that wet and windy weather pushing in across England and Wales. Possibility of some snowfall across northern England and southern Scotland. Northern areas though will be a bit brighter with just a few showers. And for many of us it'll be a brighter day on Wednesday. Sunny spells, a scattering of showers, but there's going to be a bitter northwesterly wind. Then things change again on Thursday and Friday. More spells of rain pushing in from the west. It'll turn milder for a time, but then colder again in the north later on. Bye-bye.